Hello everyone, today I will show you how easy it is to cook a roast beef at home. First, dry the meat with a paper towel. Season both sides with salt and black pepper and massage well so the seasoning is absorbed. Sear it for few seconds on each side in a hot fry pan, then place it on a tray with herbs of your choice. Preheat the oven and cook the meat at 120 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour. Check the internal temperature periodically with a thermometer. Once it reaches 52 degrees Celsius, remove the meat from the oven and let it cool. Keep in mind that the temperature will continue to rise during the first 5 minutes, due to the internal temperature. Start slicing from the wide side until you reach a juicy spot. Take a moment to admire this beauty. Plate it as you like and garnish it with some rocket. For a quick citronette dressing, squeeze lemon juice into a jar. Add half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, olive oil and sunflower oil. Fill the jar halfway, close it and shake well. Dress the rocket and place it on the top of the roast beef. Enjoy and stay tuned for the next video. Philly cheesesteak. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao!